Welcome back to Testimonials Teardown, the show where we look at how top brands are using customer proof, whether it's reviews or testimonials. Today we're going to dive into HubSpot, one of the most iconic software brands out there that created the industry of inbound marketing. Let's dive in. Right on the homepage, I don't see any customer proof or testimonials. In fact, I have to dig around on their navigation bar, go to Why HubSpot, and then case studies to get into any kind of actual customer stories. Here, they do have a handful of case studies, and I like that they're nicely organized with tags so individuals can find the most relevant case studies to them by searching for things like their industry. While the specific results of the case study are nice, they have a feeling that is very unhuman. They look like they use stock photography, and they feel very transactional. Outside of the website, you can find video testimonials on channels like YouTube, but they're all several years old. I don't see anything fresh or new in their use of customer proof, reviews, or testimonials. When I opted in to get updates from HubSpot, within the first few weeks, I didn't get sent any testimonials, reviews, or customer proof that might make me more confident in that decision to move forward with them. Overall, I give HubSpot a C in their use of customer proof. One of the things that HubSpot did well is I like that they had easy tags around their case studies so people could organize and find the case studies that were most relevant to them based on industry. But outside of that, there was a lot to be asked for, to be wanted when it came to their testimonial strategy. On their website, we saw no written or video testimonials. There was no faces behind the brand, which gave HubSpot a very disconnected, big tech type of vibe. HubSpot has access to thousands of customer journeys and assuredly could gather the video content with their high quality studios and put it onto their website. Also, I think HubSpot would benefit from taking an omnichannel approach. Looking at their website, we saw very little. Also on their YouTube, there was nothing more current than 2 to 3 years back. And when I opted into HubSpot's newsletter, I didn't receive any testimonials, reviews, or customer proof during the first few weeks. Overall, HubSpot is a brand that absolutely has the capacity to leverage testimonials and customer proof. It's simply a matter of them doing the due diligence of adding it to the site. Join us next week where we're going to dive into another episode of Testimonials Teardown.